Okay, good evening. Now we will learn how to do digitization in QGIS. So what we have here is a district map of Darjeeling. It is georeferenced and matched with base map. Let me show. Yeah, it's matching. So for digitization, we have to create one layer. So here is one layer I have created. From where we can create layer is here, then create layer, new shapefile layer, then we can give here file name, geometry type we can select from here, it will be polygon, and we can add field like city box name, it will be text, and for area it will be decimal. Okay, so create one and we'll proceed further. So here is several tools. So what do we need? We need advanced digitization toolbar, and this is snapping toolbar. With the help of this toolbar we will digitize the district map. Okay, so where we can find it, just right click over here, and in this toolbar section we have here advanced digitizing toolbar, and then we have here snapping toolbar. Just enable it and you will ready to use. Okay, then this pencil, it is toggle editing, it will be off. Just click over the layer, shapefile layer, and click on the pencil, toggle editing, it will be enabled to edit. Okay, then there is two way to digitize. One is add polygon feature, and we will add the all the way the outline of the district, and then we will cut it as per the city block. Okay, and another way is to start from one city block and go for others using advanced snapping option. Okay, so I'm showing you the cut polygon option, it will be easier. So first of all we have to create one outline of total district map. So let's start. I'm doing it roughly, you must have to zoom it for precise area. It's for digitizing and practicing. We can download it from Indian government website. There is available shape files of all district level boundary, state level boundary, country level boundary, and also we have village level boundary. Visit Survey of India, you will find it. So we will draw the outline first, then we will cut each and every city blocks. I'm doing it roughly. Mhm. One thing you may notice, I'm dragging the map using the scroll button. Just click it and you can able to drag the map, okay, rather than use the cursor pointer or this hand icon. Okay, so you can just click the scroll button and we will able to drag the map. Let's just finish the outline by right click and I'm giving id 1 and okay. Now we will cut every single cd blocks. So how we'll do it, we'll use this split features tool. Okay, select it and we will ready to cut. So this is Darjeeling city blocks. I'm doing roughly for save the time. Okay, okay, it is splitted. And if I show you the attribute table, here you can see two attribute. Okay, if I select, one is the whole area as you can see and another is the newly splitted area. Okay, close it. One more thing, we have to put the name of the city blocks, so it's not put it during the selection. So I'll put here Darjeeling, Darjeeling. Okay, which one is it? Oh, sorry, it is the whole area. So I'm cutting it and pasting it here. Okay, then we have the city blocks name Joda Banglo. Let's draw it. Okay, and when you touch it, the another blocks boundary, just left click on it, it will be split. Okay, okay, we will assign the all names later on. Instead of assigning names for each city blocks, we have the attribute table. So in the form of Excel file, we have imported it, and we will join all tables with these city blocks, okay, using ID. And if you just like clicked wrong, you need to retrieve it, so just backspace, it will be back. Okay, I think here is Mirik, so let's do the Naxalbari. Okay, it is done. Now we'll do the Mirik, and it is also done. Now what we have here, Khoribari. Okay, let's do it. Here we have the scale value. So when you will digitize, let the scale more smaller. It will help you to digitize properly with maximum accuracy. Okay, and one more thing is very important. As you practice more and more, your speed will be increased. Do not need to worry for that. Okay, so it is, I think, not the area, so we'll cancel it and we'll see the next. After the digitization completion, we will see how to do histograms, pie chart, and bar diagram. Okay, now the Garvahian, it maybe it is the last city block I need to digitize. Let's see. So done, all done. How many we have digitized? Okay, okay. Ah, here is one. Have to split. Yeah, I think it is done. Let's open the attribute table. And how many we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 11. We have, if we have 11, so let's see how many are here, and here how many are present. Okay, here is also 11. So we have done all the city blocks. Now we will match these IDs with these IDs. Okay. So how can we assign IDs with IDs? So that needs all the name of the CD blocks. So we will assign it. So for one, what is it? Naxalbari. Okay. So it is the one. It is the one. So it is Naxalbari. But we'll write here Naxalbari. Nakshali. Okay. So here is Darjeeling. It is already I have written. So for the third one, what is third? So it is Jura Banglo. So you'll write here Jura Banglo. G-O-R-A Banglo. Okay. Fourth one is Rangli. Okay. So here is it. We can fix it. Sorry. Here. So it is Rangli, right? Yeah. So we'll put here Rangi. Then for the 5, which one is the 5? Here is it. It is the 5. Yeah. So we'll write here Garubaihan. Garubaihan. Which one is 6? 6 is Mirik. 6 is Mirik. Mirik. Then 7. So what is 7? 7 is Kharibari. So write it down. Khariba. Kharibari. Then 8. What is it? It is Karshiang. Kharseogn. And the ninth is Fancy Diva, right? Or I have pronounced it wrong. Fancy Diva. E appearing like F. It is a Fanshideo. And number 10th is Kalimpong 2. Kalimpong 2. And 11th is Kalimpong 1, 11th is Kalimpong 1, Kalimpong 1, and we have another Matigada. So it is separated from here maybe. Let's see in this attribute table what we have here. Khadibadi, Panchidewa, Naxalbari, Matigada, Karshiang, Mirik, Jodbangla, Guruvathan, Kalimpong 2, Kalimpong 1, and Darjeeling. So here is how many is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what did we wrong? What we have wrong here? Let's see. Naxalbari. Naxalbari is ninth. ID ninth, right? So I'm putting ninth. Then Darjeeling is 1. Okay. Kalimpong 1 is 2. Kalimpong 2 is 3. Panchidewa is 10. Karshiang is 7. Matigara is not in our list, so we'll proceed further. Mirik is 6. Jodbanglo is 5. Guruvathan is 4. So yeah, Darjeeling. Oh, we have here Rangli, but Rangli is not there. Khadibadi is 11th. 11th. So we have double 1. What we have missing? Matigara is 8. 8, right? 8 Matigara. So instead of Rangli, here's 8 and yeah, we'll write Matigara. Right. So now we have to change the wrong. So what we have done here, Rangli, it is as it is the old map. So we have here Rangli 1, Rangli or Rangliat. So what we can do, we can just merge it with Kalimpong 1. Okay, just for now we will merge it with. So here is the tool for merge. So we have to select first. We will select these two and we will merge it. So let's see what we have here. We have here Matigada for the name of Rangli. So and merge to Kalimpong. Okay, this is the main we will merge with Kalimpong 1 and click OK. So now we have Kalimpong 1. Now we will speed again. Select the speeding tool and we'll go from here and it is splitted. So we will open the attribute table again and yeah, Matigada is here. Let's see one by one. Darjeeling, Kalimpong 2, Gurwathan, Jorbanglo, okay, Mirik, okay, Karsiang, okay, Matigada, okay, and it is okay. It will be Kalimpong 1. I'm copying it, pasting it. Instead of 2, it will be 1. Okay, then we will see Naxalbari, Fansideva, Khadibari. Okay, so all we have covered. Yeah, for Fansideva, did we? No. The spellings are the old spellings. So let it be. We will merge with this ID. So let's see. And I'm letting off the modified map. So we have the CD blocks and let's see the styling. Simple fill. Okay. Okay. Let the stroke with okay. And we'll change the color. We'll change the color. So where is it? It is here. So what we'll put it? We'll put it black, and instead of simple fill, we will okay, this dash line. Okay, okay, okay. Now what we'll do? This is our Excel table, and we will join this ID with our created ID. Okay, so go to properties, yeah, and here is joins. So click on the plus icon. Here is Darjeeling. It is our spreadsheet, and this is the join field. This is ID and target field. Target field will be ID. So this another ID, it is useless. So we will join with this targeted ID. Okay. So you can take the dynamic form or editable join layer if we need to. Otherwise, let it be. Click on OK. And let's see. Okay, I think we have whatever we need. So open our attribute table. No, it is not here. So we need to do something more. So is it not joined? Okay, target ready. You can okay, join layer. Sorry, extremely sorry. We have to apply, then okay, it may take few time. Okay. I think now it is joined. Open attribute table. Yeah, we have joined successfully all the data. So let's match. So what we have here? Okay, let's see if we can delete. Uh, what? Okay, by using organize column, we can delete whatever we don't need. So we can hide by unselecting area we may need. So let it be okay, and let's see. So what we have here in first place: Darjeeling, Kalimpong, Kalimpong 2, okay, Guruvayan or Guruvathan, Jodbanglo, okay, Mirik, Karsiang, Matigara, Kalimpong 1, Kalimpong, okay, what we have here is something wrong. Let's see. Kalimpong 2, Guruvayan, Jodbanglo, Mirik, Karsiang, Matigara. It may be okay. Mistakenly, we have changed in there, so it will be to Kalimpong 1. It will be 2. And now Matigara is 8, and it will be the Kalimpong 1. Okay, so I'm stopping and let it again enabling the editable option. So can I paste here something or write down something? No, it is not editable. So what can I do? Instead of this, we can use this column for labeling. Okay, so we have Matigara again here 2 times. Why? Something is missing. 1, 2, Kalimpong. Oh, did we have? Here is Kalimpong 1 and 2. Okay, this line is doubled, so we will delete it. Oh, so many tables are opened. So now it maybe it is okay. Yeah, okay. So save it. Now what we will do is pie chart, bar diagram, and thematic map. So first we will do thematic map, then let's see. So here is diagrams. What we have here? No diagrams. So we will choose, oh sorry, for thematic mapping we will use symbology. So here is single, we will use graduated. Okay, okay, this is okay. So for value we will choose from here. So what we have here, number of household, number of total population, number of male population, number of female population. So for population density we will use number of total population. Okay, and as we know, for density we have to do it as the respect of area. So we have the area, right? We have the city blocks and it's containing the area. So we will use 5 class. Okay, 5 class. Then if we classify, we have here the values. Okay, let's just apply and okay. So as you can see, we have 5 class and here is the thematic map. So if we choose this area, some more dark color instead of complete white. So what we can do, just go to properties or layer styling. What we have here, this. So color we choose light red instead of complete. Okay, now you can understand there is values. Oh, so here is 5 classes and here is all the result. As you can see, this is the highest population. Where you can find it? In this area and this area. So we will enable labels. Just double click, left click, double left click over the layer. It will redirect you to the properties page. Okay, so here is label. Where is it? Here it is. So no labels to single level, and so which one will use? Which one will use? Name. Yeah, name. Let's see what we will get. So font, for font we will use Times New Roman, type T, and scroll down scroll down, here it is. It is the standard, and instead of regular we will use bold. Let the font size 10, and color will be black. Just apply or okay. Okay, so we have the all labels, right? Now we can see how it will look like in layout. Oh, sorry, this is automatic layout, one click layout. You can find it in plugins. I'll show you by next class. Okay, so you can search it, and this is the symbol. Okay, it may be quick quick layout or one click layout. Okay, just find it and install it. It will be appear here. Let's see how it will look like in here. So here it is our legend. Scale is also here, north line is also here. So make it okay. So we will not going to use this north line. So just where it is, okay, it is, we can change it from here, here, this. Always we will use where north is written. Okay, fill color we will use black. Instead of white, so it will be here, or other north arrow is here. You can use as per your choice. Let's see another. Okay, this will be good because here east, west, north, south all are written. So now what we have here, let's okay, let's make it larger, and we will add just coordinate here. We will make dedicated class or video on the layout. Okay, just for now I'm showing the overview of layout. So for map, for scale we'll use double box, and scale by unit will be kilometers. Okay, and for scale, one more thing here, left will be 2 and right will be 2. Okay, and for legend we will edit here. So always untick the auto update. If it is auto update, so pause it or uncheck it, and then you may remove unnecessary layers from here. We will remove also this, and we will edit. We can edit this from here, where it is. Okay, so legend is here. Okay, So font and text formatting, title font, Times New Roman, regular bold, and points and other things where it is left to center. Okay, I'm not showing others or group font or subgroup font. Play with it, you will understand. Okay, then we have the map. Click over the map and we'll have here grid plus modify grid type is solid, let it be, use map CRS and interval. It is the most important thing for the grid. Okay, so you have to play with it. So let's think it is a large scale map, a district map. So what it could be? So for that I'll use 100. Let's see what we come. No, nothing is response here. If 1000, no, still nothing. 1 lakh, still nothing. 10 lakh, nothing. So we will start adding after here. Okay, yes, we have got it. So do not panic. If you add the numbers, interval values before the 0 at the start, and it will not, if it not work, then we will add after the point. Okay, then what we have here, frame. So we can choose any frame, zebra nautical, ticks, exterior ticks, line border, or anything. So you can use zebra and it will look odd. So yeah, frame size have decreased by 1. And what we have here, draw coordinates, it is also important. So format here, it is in decimal, means meters. If it is necessary to have decimal values, let it be, or change it with degree, minute, seconds with suffix, or degree, minute with suffix. Okay, so here if you notice, these north values are in the outside, it's overflowing. So here is all the options. For the left, horizontal to vertical ascending. Okay, and for right also vertical ascending. We have got it. It is touching the outside of the page, so make it more smaller. Play with it, you will be master. Okay, it will look more nicer than others. Okay, so one more thing is here, the grids. If you want, you can disappear the grids where it is. Okay, select the map and here will be the grid. Here select it, modify grid. What we have here, solid, right? we can use markers or crosses or frames and annotations only. So frames and annotations only when we will use it, when it is necessary to select it for the images or the layers where we cannot use the solid lines. So frames and annotations, it will look more better. Okay, so just we can export as image or export as SVG or export as PDF. So exporting as image it may take more space. Okay, so where we will find the map, we will find the resolution of output, where during we have tried to save the PDF, JPG or SVG. So try to save, export as image. um, hmm. So yeah, I'm making one new folder, layouts. So it is choropleth, Choroleth. Just one sec, we do not have the title here, so add text. So in this box we will type the title. For the choropleth map, how we will write it? We'll write choropleth map, Choropleth, choropleth map, enter, showing enter the population density of the Darjeeling district, population density showing, sorry, choropleth map showing CD block wise, CD block wise population, missed here. Okay, showing CD block wise showing the CD block wise population density of the Darjeeling district. Darjeeling district. Okay, so drag it until you see the total title. So choropleth map showing the CD block, showing CD, delete the showing CD block wise population density of the Darjeeling district. So here is font, change the font. Instead of this, we will use Times New Roman instead of regular bold. Okay, and we can increase the size also. Let it be 13. Okay, and one more thing. It will be center. Okay, so now it is looks like a output, map output. Now we can save it as image. Okay, so choropleth map, choropleth map. Choropleth map, population density you can write, but I'm saving it. Okay, so here is the export option. So export resolution is 300 dpi. You can change it. By changing it, you can increase the resolution, but it will take more space, like 10, 20 or 30 MB. So let it be in 300 dpi. It will give you a decent resolution. So save it. Let's see. Okay, it is successfully exported. So how it is appeared here? Let's see. Here is choropleth map. Okay, it is decent but quite good. North scale is here. If you zoom it, you can see it is quite good. Okay, then we will move for, and if you want, you can save from where here you can save as template. Okay, just click on it and you can save. Where is it? Okay, so inside of layout I'm saving it for depth template. Okay, so what is the benefit? You can open the layout from the layer. Okay, so I'm minimizing it. So from where you can open it? Here, layouts. Here is automatic layout. When you click it, it will come to here. So now I'm changing it for the bar graph. So it is taking me to the properties. Okay, right? And now we will go for diagrams and no diagrams to pie chart. What we will choose here is the area here. Did we calculate it? Maybe not. So open attribute table. Let us calculate. Okay, here it is. Let us calculate the areas. So update existing field area, and from geometry, where is geometry? Here it is. So area, and okay, yeah, we have calculated it. Off the pencil, save, cross it. Okay, double click and go to the properties. Okay, so no diagram to pie chart. Now we will add area plus area plus we will use total population, total male population, total female population. So what we have here, area, you can choose color from here. So I'll choose area with a simple decent color. So let it be slight green. Okay, you can store this color over here. Okay, total population will pink, no, in red, total population in red. Okay, and what is it, total male population, total male is always in blue, bright blue. Okay, bright blue or deep blue. And for female population we will use pink, pinks to red, it will be more nicer. So for now, for the variations, use pink. Okay, apply. Let's see what we have here. We have here the pie charts. So something, is there something wrong? Yes, we have the area. Area is quite larger than the population, so it takes so much area. So for now, we will minimize it and let's see what we will have. Apply. Yeah, it's quite good. It's quite good. Total population, male population and female population, and area is in the form of choropleth is under the pie diagrams. Okay, so we can increase size from here. Okay, we can increase size from here, placement from here, where we can place the pie. Okay, so how will we do the pie diagram? Go to the properties, go to the properties here from diagrams, no diagram to pie chart. Then you will come first at the attribute. Here attributes you will find. From there we have chose what we have chose, the total population, male population and female population. Okay, so you can choose whatever attributes are there and whatever you need. Okay, so here we have pie chart. Then okay, we can also add the labels. Go to the properties and legend. Here is nothing. Options, placement, size, rendering, it is opacity. Okay, how much you want to visible it or not. So we'll go for level, and from name to we will add names and apply. Okay, so labels are not showing. Why? Because of placement. So now we will change the placement. So placement visible polygon centroid আছে, so we will do it whole polygon and apply it. So it is not showing. Why it is not showing? So around centroid, outside polygon, free. Let's see outside polygon what we will have here. Yes, we have here. So now we'll do it in better way. We'll decrease the size of the text and go to the placement, and free. If we use free, we will have like this. So it will be better instead of putting the labels outside of the cd blocks. It will be better. So okay, we have all labels here. For the size of the pie, sometimes it will be missed from here. Okay, so now if we go for the layout, it is still activated, but it will update the photopleth with pie chart. As you sorry as you click on it or zoom in or out it, so it will be appear here. So by with control scroll it, it will be zoomed in here. All are visible. Okay, okay, so item properties is here, and we'll have to change it. So from where we can change it? Here, photopleth map, we'll write here instead of photopleth map, we can write here pie chart. Pie chart showing city block wise populations city block wise total male and female populations or density of the Darjeeling district. Okay. So now we'll save it is as pie chart. I'll share with you. Okay. Sorry, we have done one mistake here. Here is the legend, and what we will change here is, oh no, we'll have to change one thing. Just it. Okay. Darjeeling total population, Darjeeling total male population, female population. So what we can do, double clicking on it, and we can change the name. Okay, like total male. Okay, it is here. So let it be. It will take more time. So let it be. Okay, I'm saving it again, and I'm going to replace it. Yes, yes. Yeah, it is saved. Now next, what we have here, we have the bar diagram. So go to the properties again. Okay, we have here diagrams, and from pie chart we can choose histogram or stacked bars. Okay, so histogram, I'm selecting it, and as we have three selected here, we can go for it. Just apply. What, it is not appearing here? So is it because of size? Size unit millimeter. So let it be map unit or pixels or scaled. Okay, attribute here, it is using what can we use? Bar length and linearly, so that we can follow values matches with bar length. Specified bar length we will use according to area. Okay, let it apply. No, still it is not doing it. So it be in millimeters, fixed 15. So bar length we can change it, and find it. So apply. Yeah, it is giving it. So So how it is giving it? It is giving it by horizontally. So bar length is 5. So let it 4. Let's see how it is look like. Okay. So now size, placement, inside polygon, over centroid. Okay. Size, instead of area, we can total population and apply it, or let it be area. So if we increase the size, it will be large scale, or we can change it bar orientation, up, down, right, left. Okay. So let it be, it is up here. So okay. And we can play with the bar length. And from millimeter to we can use map unit. So see, it is become quite bigger. So when you choose map unit, you must to decrease the value. So what it is decreasing? The height length it is decreasing. Okay. So if we put here 20 and apply it, so it is becoming more thick. We can put it anything. So from map unit we can put it inches and 1. So what we will have here, it is becoming more thick. So what can I do? We can go for pixels or apply it. So it is, yeah, it is become shorter, and we will give it 20. So is it becoming, it is still not changing. So if I give it 50, no, still not changing. So what can I do? Instead of pixels, we can make points and light. So still it is not changing. So if we give it millimeters and apply it has something change. So it is changing white. Okay. So you must have to play with it for better understanding. So I'm gonna changing it by increasing the value. Okay, it is the highest value. It is the highest value. So we can decrease it. We can decrease it. So what we can do, we can give it like this, and if we apply it, we'll change the value, right? So if we give it 0, it becomes something thicker, but not usual. So you see, if we give it inches, so it is becoming more. With map unit, it is becoming more wider. So you must play with it. Which one is suits your diagram? So putting in points or millimeter. Okay. And another thing is here stacked bar. So if we apply it, it will show like this. Okay. Stacked bar will show like this, and we can change it in histogram. It will show like this. And one more thing, we can change up, down, right. If we apply, it will convert it horizontally, but we need to up. Okay, apply. It is here. Now we can see by zooming. If we see the layouts, we will have here this division. So I think you have got, and you have got something. You have understand all the thematic items over here: thematic map, population density, as well as you can do the area density, or you can do pie chart with area and population, or total population with male population. You can do histograms also with same items, same properties, same attributes, like with male population and female population, with total population and male female population. And you can use here also per household how many populations are there. So how can you use it? Let me see. Let me show you. So here is properties. Oh, open it. Yeah, it is open. So we can choose pie chart and go for attributes, and we can minimize them, and here is the number of households plus it, and number of total populations plus it. Okay, change the color, number of household. Okay, number of total populations. Okay, apply. See, this is the total number of population in red, and this is the total number of household in this color. So play with it. You will learn when you will practice more and more. Okay. Okay. Here we will close this session. Okay, then if you have any questions, doubts after doing the session, you are free to ask whatever doubts you are having or whatever problems you are facing during the practice. Okay, whether it is joining to fields or joining tables to the existing tables, let me know if you are having any problems. We'll sort it out. So for today, I think that's enough. It's about 1 hour and 26 or 30 minutes of class. Practice it. I'm hoping it will clear your all doubts. Okay, thank you.